Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You'll start with the essentials. Bluetooth and Wi-Fi must be on, and quick share permissions set to contacts only or everyone. Open the photo, video, or file you want to send and tap the share icon. Choose Quick Share from the sheet. You'll see nearby devices populate. Tap the recipient device name to initiate. You do this now so the devices can discover each other quickly and establish a secure, encrypted connection before transfer begins. Once you tap the recipient, the other person gets a prompt to accept or decline. Make sure they confirm within 30 seconds so the handshake completes. If you want the fastest local transfer, keep cellular off and rely on Wi-Fi/Bluetooth. Otherwise, the system may fall back. Watch the progress bar for completion and stay near each other to maintain signal. If transfer stalls, cancel and resend. Partial transfers can leave temp files, so retry to ensure a clean copy. After transfer completes, open photos or files to verify the item saved correctly. Quick Share places content where that app expects. If you don't see it, make sure the sender confirmed acceptance and then toggle Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on both devices. Often a quick restart clears discovery issues. If problems persist, sign out of Apple ID then sign in, or as a last resort reset network settings. This resets pairings but resolves stubborn connection conflicts.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.